guys. She's back. Well rested and ready to take back over. Now, a couple things have changed since I left. A, this is my office, so I'm gonna run it how I wanna run it. Everybody knows I never stop, so if you're wondering what I'm gonna do next, I'll give you a little hint. Agent renovation. And this is why we are now practicing on a new game board. I gotta work out all the tweaks. How could I write a manual otherwise? I am all about the gamification these days, so if I was gonna come back to work, you know I was gonna soup up my office, and I have bought myself a new game board. Oh, do I have a plan? I'm gonna teach you how to replicate it. That's my first day back dialing. It's been 2 months since I dialed. Here we go. I got a brand new notebook. We're gonna do it like we always did it. We're gonna do it 1 to 50 on the new notebook. And let's start those fingers dialing. Remember, on the back of your phone, pick me up, I make you money. Everyone under the sun. Tell me all about it, Jason.
All right, well, every house I go to, keep track of it, get to know the streets, the house numbers.
What do you got here? Oh, Allah, look at all this. Cleaned up.
That's it, going through the neighborhood.
So now we're just gonna highlight where Jason went on the giant map, aka our game board. You can actually see your shadow right now in the power pose. So we haven't like overly thought this, but basically green is gonna be if we've been for a CMA. Red is obviously if you've sold the house. We're gonna go with blue right now for just where we've walked, and purple, meaning they're coming up. Possibilities, strong possibilities.
I was trying. I got it.
There you go.
There.
Oh my gosh, this works so
Handy.
Told everyone they had to read it. You found it.
I'm learning about it.
War. I love war. Interpretation. Yeah, I honestly don't know who's more excited about our new game. Jason, me, Caroline.
329. Where are they not? Are you sure it's 329?
Did we just get another listing?
Yeah,
Are you finding it on the map right now?
I'm not direction.
That's okay, I haven't even told you the address yet. It's 329 West 27th. Don't worry, we're not putting this up now, this is for later.
329. Okay.
West 27th, so let's head on
So
over.
it's all over.
No, it's east.
East.
Oh God.
West. So, yeah, it's here. So
Okay.
329.
I haven't even been to this house yet.
335, 25. Okay, right. He's here. 329.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Boom, that's our new listing. Mark it up.
Here.
Throw a green on it.
No, let's do a teal.
You want teal?
Let's do it. Okay, 329 was. Oh, I'm showing my glasses. Here.
No. Here we go. Let it come to life. Huh, that's just one day.
That's great for Sean.
I know.
We have all the numbers like darker.
Yeah, they need to, but they can't do that because
They can't.
they can't because of the way we made our map.
So here, like it's really hard to see the
Okay, so
number.
I would write a big 329 right above it because it's not
Yeah.
like we're gonna need all of this
Yeah.
at the moment.
Well, at the moment.
Yeah, exactly. Don't worry.
Well, no, but then what we'll do is. Oh.
You need water. Perfect. That's ideal.
Yeah, but what we'll do then is put the dot on top.
Yeah, make it like a little sign.
And we'll have the number appearing.
What if we printed mini for sale signs? Look what we did. We put a mini bus stop where the bus stop is in that neighborhood. We could put a little mini for sale sign.
Yeah, but okay, wait. Is it easy to remove?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Yeah.
just tape.
Yeah.
Yeah, so then we could put a
just don't
little for
want that,
sale
yeah.
so we could see. Oh my gosh, we could have all our actives on here. We don't need that
we
board.
do.
And all our solds can go on here. Oh gosh, I'm getting too excited.
Come on, hey everybody just watch. You know we don't stop. Hey everybody just watch. Come on, just watch. Yeah, we're feeling free. Nowhere we'd rather be. Yeah, we're feeling free.
Never gets old. Just arrived to my new listing. We're gonna list this house today. It's going on the market for $2.8 million.